Alright, so welcome guys to another sound test, and we now have all the $10 top 5s that we have in the channel. So we do have the CST and also the new Faaeal Poppy in our list. And we did put in the Blon because, as I mentioned in my impressions, the Faaeal Poppy is the closest to a Blon sound. But of course, I still prefer a Blon sound over this, so it will be come up to you in terms of the value proposition here. And of course, the CST will be more of a VM type of shape. So of course, yes, which one is for you? Let me know down in the comments below. And let's start the sound test now.
Something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And